If you want to enable or disable USB debugging mode on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, open up your settings. Now you gotta scroll down to our About Phone section. Here, locate your software information. And here, locate your build number. So now let's tap 7 times in our build number. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you have to enter your current PIN. Let's press continue and give the permission to allow developer settings. Press OK. Now let's go back to our settings and scroll down to the very bottom. Here you'll find your developer options. Let's tap here, and here we are to find our USB debugging. So in order to activate it, simply tap on the switch and give you permission to allow it. Press OK. And now it's activated. If you want to disable it, tap on the switch again. When it goes gray, it means it's disabled, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.